Yeah, I'm going to be making slime with lotion. You have to have this kind of lotion to make it. So you put a little bit in the container that you have.
Hold me tighter. Hey guys.
Hey.
What's that stuff?
Works for my labradoodle sculpture.
You add some.
Wait, doesn't that rich
You have to get the
guy
kit first.
Yeah.
No, you don't get the kit. You just add lotion and no slime. Why doesn't he? You only add water and lotion and make slime?
Yes.
So let's get mixing it. I'm right here. Let's get this water and lotion and then go mixing it.
This is a bug bed. Whoa.
I told you in dark it makes like it wouldn't do it in the afternoon. Remember when we had that sesame stuff? It didn't do it, but now it's doing it. I'm still shaking. We have to shake for 1 more minute.
Hey, look at this. It's the highest score on record for single
Let's keep mixing.
achieved by a girl named Sasha Stryker.
I'm still going.
Yeah, I've heard Sasha Stryker.
Yeah, it says that when she was only 16, she became the number
Yeah,
one
this is turning out.
player in the world.
For now it's quiet and now it starts. Oh my god.
Whoa.
Why don't you get in the camera?
134,000 points in
You.
one game.
Get in the camera.
For a lady rat.
I want to
I
keep
bet you could beat
eating.
her score.
Don't encourage him. I need to beat that score. After you
Hi.
sculpture.
You guys can't see it, but it's because I'm on the light side of the TV.
Start on the sculpture first.
And I'm on the dark.
You guys, it's working. I need 15. When this says 2 minutes. Oh my god, guys. You can hear it, you guys. Hey guys, it's time to open it. Oh, it needs 5 more seconds. I mean, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Why's there a bagel in your pants?
I got hungry and then
Come with me.
You can activate it too. No, it just looks sticky, but it's not. Hey guys, look at this. This is how it turned out. I promise you it works. It works. It works. Okay guys. Look, it's now it was yellow, now it's blue. It's actually not kind of sticky, but
Did you too? I think you too.
They
go from SmackDown to Class Cloud.
This is the best day of my life.
okay guys, there's some good slime.
Substitute Friday after the Crystal Rays at 7. Only on Nick.
It's so sad that Kobe, Bryant, Guys, it worked. Comment down below. You tried it and it didn't work because you're not getting the right lotion. Let me see.
Does it sometimes smell stuffy or stale? Try Febreze Carbon Clips to eliminate those odors for up to 30 days. Stuffy, stale
I need my paint, but Lonnie lost it
everyday
somewhere.
smells that are absorbed
Go
and
look in
released
the
on
middle
soft
drawer.
surfaces. Then they're circulated by the AC system. Febreze Carbon Clips eliminate the stale, stuffy smells in your car and leave behind a fresh scent for up to 30 days. Plus, they come in a range of scents, including Extra Light. Try Febreze Car. Brand power helping you buy better.
There's an epidemic spreading. Scientists say it can change your brain. It can release
That's gonna end the video today.
into your bloodstream.
Bye. Bye. Subscribe and like. That family. Peace. Yeah.